have a look of our achievers. With all these achievements, now we can tell that Winfinite is the fastest growing company in India. Our next target is 500 crores. The pace and planning we have now will definitely lead us to the number one position with no less than 5 years from now. Yes, we are ready for second century when it comes to product. Your guess is right. Planning for more than 100 products in coming year. On the occasion of the first anniversary, we have decided to unlock new benefit. Yes, yes, yes. You are going to get surprised with this. The most awaited part of anniversary event. Now, BV is increased. Let me take you to an overview of products BV. All healthcare BV is increased 50 to 55%. Not only this, one of our upcoming product BV is 60% in healthcare category. All OBB care products price has been decreased and BV increased to 45%. Natural earth other products BVs remain same. All fresh dent BV is now 45%. All perfect personal care products BVs are now 45%. Perfect premium category products BVs are 47% and Kisan 100 BV is 35% and HAP granules BV is now 40% and remaining all Kisan Grow products BVs are now 50%. One more good news, even for Winfinite tie and sari, 20% BV. Dear leaders, once again it gives me an immense pleasure to bring new updates in the plan. Last 1 year journey has helped us to understand and master the plan perfectly. Now let's get up. So let's have an overview of the plan. Winfinite's precious 9 ways to earn lifelong income. Winfinite's precious 9 ways to earn lifelong income. Retail profit or saving on consumption 30%. Business building bonus 5%. Team building bonus 25%. Level achievement bonus 10%. Sponsor supportive bonus 15% on business building bonus and team building bonus. Now, one more good news. We are adding sponsor supporting bonus for diamond directors and crown directors also. Infinity bonus 20%. Now it's been divided into 3 slabs. Let's have overview. Up to Emerald Director 10%. Diamond Directors and Crown Directors 5%. Royal Crown Directors and above 5%. Unlimited Car Fund 9%. Unlimited House Fund 5%. Luxury Fund 4%. Friends and leaders, earlier 4 IB points to achieve Luxury Fund. Now you will get only for 2 IB points. What's more? Yes, leaders, we have more to offer. 5 new exciting additions. Firstly, if you match 15,000 BV in a month, you will achieve Fast Start Bronze Director. Now, achievement for Emerald Director becomes easy with 3 consecutive months as a Silver Director and 3 achievements as a Silver Director in rest 9 months. If you qualify as a diamond director, you will be rewarded with 8,000 rupees of Diamond Supportive Fund. If you qualify as a Royal Crown Director, you will be rewarded with rupees of 40,000 as a Royal Crown Supportive Fund. इस एनिवर्सरी के मौके पे एक स्पेशल बोनस अनाउंस करना चाहता हूं, जिसका नाम है विनफिनिट एनिवर्सरी बोनस 4% up to Emerald Directors, which will be valid for 3 months, July to September 2021. We will share the details plan with all leaders shortly. Dear friends and leaders, once again, this proves that Winfinite is a leader-driven company, and we always look forward to support leaders and distributors. Leadership is the key. Leadership lead by example in direct selling business. Team building and recognition plays major role to grow as a leader. To increase this, we are again back to basic and also with more flexibility. We know that it's network building business, and if we stop to build network, then net worth will stop. As a leader, keep on focusing with building new teams. Increase your and your teammates' income with 2-team generation plan. Winfinite not only provides business freedom to its distributors, it is also encouraging by recognizing. Recognition helps distributors see that their company values them and their contribution to the success of their team and the company overall. It helps distributors build a sense of respect in their value to the company, motivating them to continue great work. Last but not least, myself, Mr. Mahesh Jegala sir, Mr. Varahala Reddy sir, we as a management assure you the best service in the industry in all situations, because we have worked in different companies with different management, different plans, and studied the market from the roots and come up with the best working result oriented 2-team generation plan, which will help and make you grow faster than normal pace and gives you the best than desired results in no time. On this prime occasion of our first anniversary, we would like to launch 2 more products. The most awaited product, that is Veg Fruit Wash and Men Deodorant Body Spray. for being with us. We wish you infinity of wealth and health. Yes.